Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage. Drink population stays in the pink. First 14 to 22 questions are to complete a summary. And we have to choose the words from the given list. So answers found can be synonyms also. First, research carried out by scientists in the United States has shown that the proportion of people over 65 suffering from the most common age-related medical problems as 65 और above people जिस common medical problems को suffer कर रहे हैं, वो अब क्या हो रही हैं? And the data confirms that the rate at which these diseases are declining. तो declining का synonym है falling. Next, and that the speed of this change is इस change की speed क्या है? These diseases are declining continues to grow. तो grow का synonym है increasing. Next, it also seems that these diseases are affecting people in life than they did in the past. ये बीमारियां लोगों को कौन सी जिंदगी में affect करती हैं? He says the problems doctor accepted as normal in a 65-year-old in 1982 are often not appearing until people are 70 or 75. मतलब बाद में ये प्रॉब्लम आती हैं, तो इसका आंसर होगा later in life. Next question is, this is largely due to developments in ये किसी चीज में development की वजह से हुआ है. Clearly certain diseases are beating a retreat in the face of medical advances, तो इसका आंसर होगा medicine. Next, but other factors such as improved may also be playing a part. इसके अलावा कुछ और कारण भी है. But there may be other contributing factors, improvements in childhood nutrition, तो इसका आंसर होगा nutrition. Next question is, increases in some other illnesses may be due to changes in personal habits and to some other illnesses दो कारणों से है. एक तो personal habits में changes की वजह से, और दूसरा an increase in some cancers and bronchitis may reflect changing smoking habits and poorer air quality, तो इसका आंसर होगा pollution. Next question is, the research establishes a link between levels of and life expectancy. यहाँ life expectancy का किसी चीज के साथ connection बताया है. One interesting correlation Manton uncovered is that better educated people are likely to live longer. तो इसका आंसर होगा education. Next question is, it also shows that there has been a considerable reduction in the number of elderly people who are elderly people जो इस तरह के हैं, उनमें काफी गिरावट आई है. The survey also assessed how independent people over 65, and again found a striking trend. Almost 80% of these in the 1994 survey could complete everyday activities ranging from eating and dressing unaided to complex tasks such as cooking and managing their finances. That represents a significant drop in the number of disabled old people. तो इसका आंसर होगा disabled. Next, which means that the involved in supporting this section of the population may be less than previously predicted. इसका मतलब इस सेक्शन की पॉपुलेशन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए कोई चीज जितनी सोची गई थी अब उससे कम है. According to Manton, slowing the trend has saved the United States government's Medicare system more than $200 billion, suggesting that the graying of America's population may prove less of a financial burden than expected. तो financial burden का synonym होगा cost. Next 23 questions to 26 questions are to complete each sentence with given ending. First question is, home medical aids. Its answer is G. Allow old people to be more independent. The increasing self-reliance of many elderly people is probably linked to a massive increase in the simple home medical aid. Next question is, regular amounts of exercise. Answer is A. May help prevent mental decline. Maintaining a level of daily physical activity may help mental functioning. Next question is, feelings of control over life. Answer is H. Can reduce stress in difficult situation. In laboratory simulations of challenging activities such as driving, those who felt in control of their lives pumped out lower levels of stress hormones. Next question is, feelings of loneliness. Answer is C. May cause rises in levels of stress hormones. Seaman found that elderly people who felt emotionally isolated maintained higher levels of stress hormones even when asleep. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.